closing arguments have just wrapped up in the murder trial of Brian Walshe. He's the Massachusetts father of 3 who's accused of killing his wife back in 2023. And now the case goes to the jury. NBC 10's Erin Coogan has been monitoring the court proceedings throughout the morning, and she joins us live in the studio to break it all down. What you got, Erin?
Yeah, well, Barb, closing arguments come less than 24 hours after Walshe and his defense were given the floor. In a somewhat shocking move Thursday, they did not call a single witness, and Walshe didn't take the stand. Now the case heads to the jury to decide whether or not he's guilty of murder. In closing arguments today, prosecutors again presented jurors a detailed timeline in which they argued Walshe did in fact kill his wife, Anna Walshe, dismember and dispose of her body. Walshe's lawyers claim he found Anna dead and panicked and got rid of her body. Prosecutors brought up festering marital issues and patterns of lying by Walshe to police, urging jurors to consider the 8 days worth of facts and testimony presented by the state in their deliberations. On the other hand, Walshe's defense argued the prosecution presented roundabout information to distract, confuse, and evoke emotion, which they say could not and should not be used to reach a verdict.
You cannot base your verdict on sympathy for Anna Walshe. You can't base your verdict on anger to what Mr. Walshe did. You can't base your verdict on passion based on the evidence that you've heard that is upsetting and terrifying and at times disgusting. That's not what you can do as jurors.
His internet history, written words, he was looking at best way to dispose of a body. Better to throw away crime scene clothes or wash them. Crime scene. Can you be charged with murder without a body? Anna was dead. The defendant killed her, and he began researching how to get her money.
After both sides wrapped up, the judge gave the jury a break. They'll be given instructions before they start to deliberate. Of course, we're going to be on verdict watch after that. Any updates we will have on air throughout the day and online at turnto10.com. Reporting in studio, Erin Coogan, NBC 10 News.